Hi guys, I thought we'd make a 4th of July tier tray today. So I have a little plaster garden gnome that's about 5 inches tall. I got him at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to repaint over him in red, white, and blue colors. I used Cobalt Blue by Apple Barrel. It's a matte. And I used a white matte by Apple Barrel. And I used Bright Red by Apple Barrel, and that is also a matte. So I'm going to paint white paint on top of this with a dabber sponge. And I got this dabber sponge at Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack, I believe, of three different sizes. So to let it dry, I just put it on top of 2 pencils so it would not stick to the cardboard underneath. And I used the same white matte acrylic paint that I used for the gnome. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing to the lid. And I painted the bottom of the cylinder. It probably wasn't necessary, but I just went ahead and did it. Let those dry for an hour. Next, I took 2 tiny little flags that I got from the Dollar Tree. And they easily pulled off of the pole. They were just attached by 2 tiny little staples. So I took some Mod Podge. After applying 2 flags to it, I put Mod Podge on top of it to seal it and to make it glossy. I'm going to let it dry. In the bottom of the tray, I placed my gnome, my cylinder I made, a red tin lantern that has stars in it by holes being punched in it. That I got at the dollar store. And about 9 of these red, white, and blue bead strands. That too was purchased at the dollar store. On the top of the tin, I'm going to be using these foam scatter stars that I got at the dollar store just to fill in spots. So on the top of the tray, I put a wooden bead strand that I purchased at the dollar store, and I kind of just hung it through the coffee cup handle. The coffee cup I already had. I just found a small white coffee cup, and I put some red and blue gems in it that I had purchased probably a year ago or so at Walmart or the dollar store. I can't even remember. My filler, a blue tinsel star that was also purchased at the dollar store. And if you don't have a tier tray, you could also make an arrangement in a wood tray or maybe a large platter. And I hope this inspired you to make a tier tray, a 4th of July tier tray, and I hope you guys liked my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.